Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel. You've got your boys here, Bert and Lanny, the best dividend investors out here in all of social media. 40,000 X followers, over 20,000 subscribers here, guys. And we're bringing you two healthcare stocks, one that's been really pummeled through the news. Is it time to buy one of them? We're going to stack them up against one of their competitors.
All right, everyone, smash that subscribe button. Join all those diplomaniacs out there. Let's freaking go. Let's evaluate two great stocks. And Lanny, how are we going to evaluate these two companies?
We're going to put them side by side. We're going to go metric by metric through the trusted Dividend Diplomat stock screener. Yes, guys, the price to earnings ratio, the payout ratio, dividend growth. We'll look at dividend yield, guys. Again, we're comparing two of the biggest competitors in the health insurance industry here, guys. Quick teaser right there, because everybody really wants to flock to a stock, but is it really undervalued right now?
Well, the best way to figure that out is to put them side by side and really see how they're comparing against their titans in the industry, because this is one of those industries that is oddly comparable. These stocks, same sector, they don't even have that much of a difference. They just health insurance plans, not that much of a difference to them. So it's a great one to do side by side.
I agree, guys. So we're going to kick it off. We're going to do Elevance Health, ELV, aka Anthem Insurance, guys. And Bert is going to take United Health. UNH, guys. We are filming this here, though, on May 8th at 10:54 p.m. Rocking it hard here, guys. We're filming it on Thursday. So hopefully by the time you watch this, the Cavs are back in the series and have won at least the game on Friday.
Let's hope. I don't want to talk about that right now. But
we're
going positive. We're going
dividend stuff.
We're going so positive. We're going to talk about health insurance companies.
Yes, the most positive conversation, Bert. So let's start off with that price to earnings ratio, guys. Elevance Health right now trading at $412.38. According to Seeking Alpha, 2025 earnings guidance is looking at $34.45. Yes, that is a true expected earnings per share number. 12 is that price to earnings ratio. Very solid.
UNH has had a fall from grace so far this year. Their price is back down to $385.55.
Whoa, below 400.
Yeah, that's what was crazy to me. I had to do a double take when I was looking at it. Yeah, that's basically what I did. The earnings per share is 26.21. So 1.2 Intels is about their earnings per share. So that gives you a price earnings ratio of 14.71.
Yeah, we don't measure in USD anymore. We measure in shares of Intel, which is all against USD. Wow. So 15 is the PE ratio. So higher than Elevance Health, guys. UNH is currently showing that it currently is priced on a higher multiple than Elevance Health.
So remember that, everybody, when you see those headlines, remember who has the cheaper price to earnings ratio right now.
Now, if we look at the dividend payout ratio, which again is the safety to the dividend, 40 to 60%, we always call the sweet spot, giving a little plenty back to shareholders, but room to grow the business and grow the dividend. Well, let's just say Elevance Health definitely has no concerns with their dividend, nor should there be concerns with the ability to grow their dividend. $6.52 annualized, 19% dividend payout ratio.
Okay. UNH is $8.40, or one will get in plot for their annual dividend. That payout ratio is 32%.
Too soon. So 32%. Again, dividend payout ratio is higher than Elevance Health. Earnings projection goes down, payout ratio goes up. So right now, Elevance Health has a lower PE and lower payout ratio. But let's get into dividend growth, brother. Elevance Health right now, 13 years of juice and dividends, taking it right in the butt like Barry Bonds did at an average rate of 16%. I
think it was more of the thigh, right?
Is it?
I don't know. Probably the ass cheeks. Sorry, butt cheeks. I guess. Sorry, YouTube. UNH is 5-year growth rate 18.85%. 15 plus.
Where we thought they were.
Yeah. I mean, I could on a completely okay. So they're about the same on this. So I'm going to pivot here for 2 seconds. I could probably talk about for a video in and of itself how absurd the steroid era was in baseball and how they just victimized.
Dingers, man, dingers.
Yeah, there was a time where they were throwing syringes on the field for Barry Bonds. Just
It's
anyway,
good.
like
Good way to get fans in the game.
yeah, kind of. I mean, and there were butts in the seats. I can tell you that much. Right
Yeah.
now, not so
People
much.
were out in rowboats chasing down his dingers out in Sanford.
Yeah, so if you guys ever want to see me do a get off my lawn video of just me ranting about old baseball and how baseball killed itself on this channel, I will happily do it. If there's any interest, throw it in the comment
Yeah,
section.
that could be one of those reasons why.
Yeah,
But talking about dividend growth again, 13 years, 16% for Elevance Health, guys. What was it for UNH again?
18.89%.
Wow.
It's the same. I don't think there's any difference. I don't think there's one clear cut winner. Both are high teen double digit.
Yeah. Now yield, this will get interesting. 1.58% for Elevance
Okay.
Health.
Okay. All
So
right.
like that's the S&P 500 essentially.
Yeah. How does that compare to 2.18%? Is it higher or lower?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's 60 basis points. That's actually a
that's
ton higher, like it's almost 50% higher on the
yeah.
yield front there, guys. So you definitely do get paid out a little bit more currently from United Health.
That is a significant jump in for it. So how is ELV performing? Let's talk about it for
Yeah, this is where it's interesting. Elevance Health is actually, despite having a lower PE and all of that, they're actually up 13% this year.
boom. All right. UNH is down 23.58%.
Oh, jeez. Again, so Elevance is beating the S&P 500 candidly this year, obviously because they underperformed last year. But UNH has just had a really rough road the last 12, 15 months, guys. Um, you know, 94 billion market cap for Elevance, and how big is UNH?
Oh, 351 billion.
Yeah, so
It's a
market cap much larger. In my opinion, gosh, yeah, I think both are solid stocks. UNH is always kind of commanded, I think, a little bit higher, anyways.
yeah.
And
Yeah, they've had
I,
that premium in the sector.
yeah, yeah. I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with either stock. I own Elevance Health, so I wouldn't personally add UNH. But if you wanted to get into this industry, buying either or, I think you're gonna be just fine.
Yeah, I would absolutely agree with that. I think both of them are great values right now. I do own Elevance Health too, but UNH, if it keeps dropping, there will be a value play to be had for UNH, especially as I'm looking to consolidate some
Take the
of the.
gains from ELV and then slide over to UNH.
Ooh, I mean, that's an option. I mean, I joked about that we're getting plot position that's earning less than UNH. Like, company's better in the long run. Can tell you.
Is it?
Yeah.
Don't you sell beds and springs?
Yeah. They could sell beds and springs into all the
Oh
hospitals that
shit,
UNH
tariffs,
denies
less,
coverage
less.
for.
Oh man.
Boing. All right. All right, everyone. What are your thoughts here on Elevance Health? What are your thoughts here on UNH? Overall, are you pretty optimistic about the healthcare sector or are you pessimistic?
Both stocks again looking solid. Both are good value plays here, guys. Yeah, let us know. Let us know what other stocks you're buying, how you're building passive income this year. What is your current
Yeah.
steps getting to financial freedom, guys?
And already, subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And remember, you're either with us or you're against us, Jack.
That was Bert the Herd and Lanny from the Dividend Gosh Damn Diplomats. Over and out.